So we're going to be unboxing what I hope is the titanium Oris Aquis. When we get these shipments, we never know which one is in what box because there's no labels on the outside. So I'm guessing this one, by the black color of the box, that this is going to be the new titanium. I'm pretty pumped up for this one. The Aquis is a classic design, but it's going to be really cool in titanium. So here we go. And the warranty card. Move that away, and here we go. You know what? It's a really nice looking watch, but with the titanium, it's really something you're gonna have to pick up. So you guys are gonna have to believe me every time I tell you. The watch is really, really light. So yeah, it's hard to do a video when the main feature of the watch is the fact that how light the titanium is. When you look at it, you can't tell. This looks like a normal Aquis. It doesn't look like titanium. You can see me there holding it up here. It just, the more and more you hold it, you can't believe it, because you know when you have a dive watch, they usually have a pretty good weight to them, especially with the all stainless steel, the bracelet like this. But this is actually really cool. It's so light, you know, it feels almost like you know, it's hard to believe that it's metal. It feels almost like a plastic or something, the lightness of it. But when you touch it, you know, you feel that is, of course, titanium. It's got a nice steel gray face. The face does remind me a lot of the Hammerhead watch, and that model was sold out, so it's kind of nice to have something that reminds you of that. But the titanium is definitely a nice improvement or addition to the Aquis line. Now, the reference number for this model, for those of you who love model numbers, it's 0173377307153, and the band dash 0282415 PEB. Now man, can that get any longer? So that's the model number, but we'll just keep calling it the Aquis Titanium. Much easier, and they only have this one and the one on the strap for the Aquis line right now at the moment of this video. The Aquis is 43.5 millimeters, which roughly is about 1.7 inches. Here you can see it on my wrist. It's really a nice watch. They've, over the years, have kind of been streamlining the Aquis a little bit. They made the case a little bit bigger, but then a little thinner here and there, tapering certain things. It really makes an interesting watch overall. But still, when you look at it, very utilitarian, you know, a watch for the people, the Oris watches. You know, real watches for real people, and this is a great dive watch. Again, you really have to go into a store and maybe feel the lightness of it, or if you wanted a light watch, this is definitely the dive watch you want to get. If you want a heavy duty dive watch that really weighs not much at all. And here you can see it with the lume, those little stripes that you get from the Oris Aquis. Always nice. Well, this is one of my favorite new additions of the year. Oris has outdone themselves with this titanium watch. Simple and great. Thanks. Have a good time, everyone.